Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use function keys. So let us start with the first one, that is F1. F1, as you all know, that it is usually used for help, but in laptops you can use Fn plus F1. You have to press down the Fn, then it will work, otherwise it will not work. But in desktop you have to just press down the F1 only. So F1 is used for help. Now the next one is F2. F2 is used for renaming the file or folder. And now going to the third one, that is F3. F3 is used for search. If you want to search anything, you can use this for search. Now F4. F4, if you press down the F4, it will usually do nothing, but if you use with this alt key, alt plus F4, it will act as this close button, this, or you can use this as a shutdown. You can also shut down the computer by using alt plus F4. Now the next command is F5. F5 is used for refresh. For example, I am here, I am refreshing here, I can use F5 as well. See, I am pressing down the F5, it is refreshing the screen. Now the next command is F6. F6 is used for to go to the address bar of the browser. For example, I have a Google open here, I want to go to the, I have clicked here but I want to go here. I simply have to press down the F6. See, it highlights the address bar section, and you can use this function key for this purpose. Now the next command is F7. F7 is usually used for spelling checking in MS Word or grammar. Usually if you press down the F7 in MS Word, it will open the dialog box of the spelling checking or grammar checking. Now the next command is F8. F8 is usually used for go to the boot menu, where you can go to the safe mode. You have to press down the F8 while you are restarting computer, and you will enter into the safe mode. Now the next command is F9. F9 is a function key used to refresh document in MS Word. You can use this command using Shift plus Alt, and you can go to the MS Outlook as well. Now the next command is F10. F10 is used for shortcut menu. Whenever you press down the F10, shortcut menu will appear, or you can use it with the shift key and right click will appear. Suppose I am using a mouse here and right click, it will work as the same. Shift plus F10, see, right click will appear. Now the F11 is about the full screen mode in browsers. Suppose here I want to press down the F11, see, full screen, it will go into the full screen mode. If you press down it again, F11, it will exit from the full screen mode. That was about the F11. Now F12. F12 is used for save as. If you use the F12, see, save as dialog box will appear. You can save as with a different name of this workbook, or in some laptops this key is used for flight mode as well. You can use this key to go to the flight mode as well. This was all about the function keys. I hope you find this video very informative. Thank you for watching.